How long does it take for Senokot tablets to work? It may take 6 to 12 hours before this medication causes a bowel movement. Uses. Sennosides are used to treat constipation. They may also be used to clean out the intestines before a bowel examination/surgery. Sennosides are known as stimulant laxatives. They work by keeping water in the intestines, which causes movement of the intestines. How to use Senokot? Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor. If you are self-treating, follow all directions on the product package. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. If you are using the chewable tablets, chew each tablet well and swallow. If you are using the dissolving strips, allow each strip to dissolve on the tongue and then swallow, with or without water. If you are using the liquid form of this medication, measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/cup. Do not use a household spoon because you may not get the correct dose. Dosage is based on your age, medical condition, and response to treatment. Do not increase your dose or take this drug more often than directed. Do not take this medication for more than 7 days unless directed by your doctor. Serious side effects may occur with overuse of this medication. See